Number 7. It's frictionless. I'm on an inclined plane. So let's draw on the forces that I know. I know that there are two. That there's gravity pulling down. Gravity pulls down with a force of 98.0 newtons. There's a normal force. The normal force is always at a right angle to the surface. Now, what I have to do is I tilt my x and y axis is normally like this, but I'm going to tilt it so my x axis is like this and my y is like that. Now, this one is not in the correct. This is a diagonal force. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down into its y direction, and I'm going to break it down into its x direction, like this. So I see a lot of people that can't make this triangle correctly. So I have this force right here. I call it the force perpendicular. And then there's this force right here, the force parallel. It doesn't really matter what you call them. The x and the y is what you're breaking them down into. So this angle will always equal that. That's 30. So I know this is the short leg of my triangle. I just divide by 2. This is 49 newtons. 49.0 newtons. And then I multiply 49 by the square root of 3, and I get 84.9 newtons. And that turns out that this piece equals my normal. My normal is 84.9 newtons. Now to figure out the acceleration on my block, I use F equals ma. The force that pulls me down the hill is 49. The mass on this is 10.0, and the acceleration is a. So 49 divided by 10 is 4.90 meters per second squared.